Namaste everyone, this is AJ and welcome to Civil Service Exam 2020-2021 Road to Success class presented by Tattomasi Learning Hub. As I said yesterday, that we are going to start the basic class and the topic selected is puppets from art and culture. It's just a basic class conducted by Arthi. Do join and subscribe this channel for further classes. Let's move on to today's session.
Now we are discussing about Indian puppetry. Indian puppetry is the ancient form of entertainment. The excavation sites at Harappa and Mohenjo-daro have yielded puppets with the sockets attached to them. In Bhagavad Gita, God has been described as a puppeteer controlling the universe with the three strings that are called Satta, Raja and Dhama. In Indian theatre, the narrator was called a Sutradhar or the holder of strings. Puppetry in India can be broadly classified into four categories: string puppet, shadow puppet, glove puppet, and rod puppet. String puppet is or marionettes have a prominent presence in Indian culture, generally 8 to 9 inches miniature figures carved out of wood. Strings are attached to small holes in the hands, head and back. Oil color is used here. Wooden pipes are created with the body to form the limbs. Example, Katputili, Kundeyi, Gombayata, Bommalatam. Katputili is the traditional string puppet of Rajasthan. Special salient feature is the absence of legs. Kat means wood and Putli means doll, covered with traditionally bright Rajasthani dress. Show accompanied with folk music, strings attached to the fingers. The next one is Kunteyi, string puppets of Odisha made of light wood, long skirts, more joints are there, strings are attached to a triangular prop, influence of Odissi dance. Gombayata, a traditional puppet show of Karnataka, more than one puppeteer is used to manipulate the puppets. Bommalatam. Bommalatam is the indigenous to the region of Tamil Nadu. Combination of rod and string puppetry. Strings are attached to an iron ring which is worn by the puppeteer on his head. Largest and heaviest marionettes found in India. It has four distinct stages called Vinayak Puja, Komali, Amanatam and Puseganatam. Next one is shadow puppets. Flat figures cut out of leather is used here, painted identically on both sides. Puppets are placed on a white screen with the light falling from behind, creating a shadow on the screen. Examples are Togalu Gombayata, Ramanchaya and Tolu Bamalata. We are now discussing about Tolu Bamalata. It is in Andhra Pradesh, accompanied by classical music. Mythological and devotional tales are the main theme. Large puppets are used here. Next one is Togalu Gombeta. It is the puppet of Karnataka. Variation of puppet size is based on the social status. Example, kings characterized by large puppets while common people are shown by smaller puppets. Next one is Ramanchaya. Popular in Odisha region. Puppets are made of deer skin, do not have any joints. Use of non-human puppets such as trees and animals as well. Glove puppets known as sleeve puppets or hand puppets or palm puppets, small figures with the head and arms wearing long costume made of cloth or wood. Puppeteer wears the puppet as glove, manipulating head with the index finger, hands manipulated using thumb and middle finger. Example, Pavakutu. Pavakutu is the traditional puppet of Kerala, decorated with handgears, feathers and face paints. Influence of Kathakali dance is here. Theme Ramayana and Mahabharata. Rod puppets. The rod puppets are classified. Rod puppets are controlled by rods. Popular in eastern region of India. Main examples are Yempuri and Putul Nach.
Okay, guys, let's wind up today's session of Road to Success class presented by Tattomasi Learning Hub. Hope you learn Indian puppets today and we'll be back with another interesting topic with coming days. Do join and subscribe Tattomasi Learning Hub. Thank you. And if you find any comments or suggestions, please record it in the comment box. Your valuable suggestion will make us to improve our YouTube channel. So please kindly do us a favor. Thank you.